Can you please name that habitats in which the
One
hmm.
is in water environment habitat and land habitat.
Okay. Terrestrial habitats and land habitats. Okay, Shami, very good. Now I'm going to unmute the mic of Fahad. Yes, Fahad. Yes, Fahad. Okay, Fahad, just tell me uh, how many types of terrestrial habitats are there? Terrestrial habitats. Hmm. Hmm. Very good. Excellent, Fahad. Very good. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed about which habitat? Yes, Fahad. Yesterday we have discussed about which habitat? Are you sure? Yesterday I have discussed about which habitat. You said to me that we have 4 types of habitats. Okay, desert, grassland, forest, and rainforest. So yesterday we have discussed about which habitats, Fahad? Very good, Fahad. Desert habitat. Excellent, Fahad. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss about our next habitat. Desert habitat. Desert habitat, Kirat. Yes, Kirat. How are you? Kirat, can you hear me? No? Can you hear me, Kirat? Kirat, unmute your mic, beta. Kirat, unmute your mic. Yes, Kirat. Can you hear me, Kirat? Okay. I'm going toward Anshara. Anshara. Can you hear me, Anshara?
Yes.
Okay, Anshara, just tell me that what are desert habitats?
टीचर मैंने कल की क्लास अटेंड नहीं की थी.
Okay, I will share my topic on YouTube so you can capture from there. Okay. I'm repeating again about desert habitats. That what are desert habitats? Okay. I'm repeating again about desert habitat. Everyone, please note down your lecture again. What are desert habitats? Well, basically, desert habitats are places that do not get much rain and are very dry place. As we all know very well that deserts are very dry place. In desert, no much rain are happening. They can either be very hot place or cold place also. Okay? Because desert do not have much more water, animals that live in desert are able to conserve water. I told you yesterday that those animals that live in desert are able to conserve water and food in their bodies because in desert we have very short variety of water. In desert we have much more less rain. That's why the organisms which live in desert they conserve water and food in their bodies for surviving their life. Okay, so I showed you the some examples of desert also that camel is the basic example of desert. Okay, and cactus desert tortoise is the newly example for you class, and the fourth example of prickly pear cactus. I'm sharing screen on whiteboard. You can see the spelling from here. Example is, you can see the example from here. Cactus and prickly pear cactus. It's just like cactus. It's just like cactus. Okay, and camel, as we all know very well about the camel. And the next example
Scorpion.
is scorpion. Very good, scorpion. And any other? Anybody want to share the example? You can share better.
Sheep.
Sheep. Sheep. Sheep is not. Sheep is not found in desert.
Just sheep.
Not sheep is sheep. I know better. Sheep is not present and found in desert. Okay. And the latest example for your class is desert tortoise. Desert tortoise. Okay. These are the few examples of deserts habitats. Okay.
Yes.
Now come to the next habitat is forest habitat. Our next topic is forest habitat. Forest habitat. So the basic definition of forest habitat is that those organisms which live in forest, they are called forest habitat. Those organisms which live in forest, they are called forest habitat. Okay. Forest is a habitat of many plants and animals. Forest is a habitat. Forest is a habitat of many plants and animals because it provides them a suitable environment. Just like that, we live in our home because our home is a suitable environment for us. Just like that, the plants and animals that live in forest, that are the basic environment for them. Okay, so those plants and animals that live in forest, that are the basic environment for that, the suitable environment for that. Okay. Now third point is that forests are so much more than a collection of trees. In forest, we have much more a collection of trees. You can find a collection of trees in forest. Okay? In forest, you will find a collection of trees. Okay, beta? In forest, you will find a collection of trees. Our next point is that 300 million people worldwide. From worldwide, 300 million people live in forest. From worldwide, how many people? 300 million. 300 million people from worldwide means पूरी दुनिया से 3,000 मिलियन लोग 300 मिलियन लोग कहाँ रहते हैं? जंगल में रहते हैं. ठीक है? I am talking about except plant and animals, about human beings. The 300 million people from worldwide live in forest. Okay, this is the quantity of people that live in the forest from worldwide. Okay, class. Our next point is that forests supply oxygen, because all of us very well know about it that from trees we get oxygen, we get fresh air. Just like that, forests provide oxygen. We need to survive. We need to survive. Forests provide oxygen that we need to survive. Okay. Now, next point is that they provide timber. What is timber? Timber is like a wood. Timber is a wood which is used for making which is used for products we use every day. Okay, which is used to make products we use in everyday life. Timber is the type of wood which is used to produce various things we use in everyday life. Okay. Now Next topic is, next point is, forests have basic two types. Forests have basic two types. Forests have basic two types. Okay. Forests have basic two types. Number one is tropical forest, and number two is temperate forest. Okay. Forests have basic two types. Forests have basic two types. Number one is tropical forest and number two is temperate forest. Now we will talk about tropical forest. That what are tropical forests? What are tropical forests? Basically, tropical forests are very wet places. Wet means wet means anything which is. Can you hear me, class? Okay. Wet. Tropical forests are very wet places receiving more than why the tropical forests are very wet places, because they receive 200 centimeter rainfall each year. That's why tropical forests are very wet places, because they receive 200 centimeter rainfall each year. That's why tropical forests are called wet places. They are called wet places because they receive 200 centimeter rainfall each year. Okay. Temperatures are between 20 to 35 degrees centigrade in tropical forest. Temperatures remains between 20 to temperature remain between 20 to 30 degree centigrade in tropical forest. In tropical forest, the temperatures remains between 20 to 30 degree centigrade. Okay, class? So these are the few points of tropical forest. Now come to the temperate forest. Next is temperate forest. In temperate forest, the temperature remains cold. In temperate forest, the temperature remains cold. Mostly they are found in northeastern United States. I am writing on whiteboard. You can see that from there. Okay. Temperate rainforests are found in northeastern United States. They are found in northeastern United States, southern east, Southern East Canada, and in Europe. Okay, and in Europe. Okay, so the few examples of temperate rainforest are all herbs are included. Herbs. All herbs are included in temperate rainforest. All herbs are included in temperate rainforest. Temperate herbs. Herbs are the examples of temperate rainforest and coniferous trees. I will show you the picture of coniferous tree. Okay, coniferous tree, deer. All of you are know very well about deer. That who is deer? Bear, bears. All bears are found in temperate forest. Songbirds. Songbirds are all found in temperate forest. Who is trying to write on whiteboard? Okay. Now I am going to show the picture of some forest and some examples of temperate forest. Okay, beta? You can see that on your screen. Just wait. See, you can see the picture of, yes, just raise your hand if you are able to see the picture.